Hey, Math 7. All right, here we go. If you remember last time, I had you take notes for like the first time in a long time to make sure that you knew that supplementary angles were two angles that added up to 180 degrees. Complementary angles were two angles that added up to 90 degrees. We also covered the vertical or opposite angles where you had two equal angles but were opposite ends of each other. So today we're going to actually be talking about using complementary and supplementary angles to solve problems, and it's quite simple. You'll notice at this one, we have one angle here from here to here that's 128 degrees, and then from here to here is x degrees. Well, we know from here all the way to here is 180 degrees, so to solve for this, we simply take the 180, we subtract away the 128 that they already gave us, and we know 180 minus 128 when we use a calculator is 52 degrees. That's all there is to it. Well, what if it's a complementary angle? What if they give us a 90-degree thing here, and they say as this one is 53, and we got to solve for this one? Yeah, same thing, only we use 90 degrees now. 90 minus the 53 is 37 degrees, and that's all it is. It's that simple, guys. You'll blow through this con very quickly today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.